separate text strings that are in same column in Microsoft Excel. My name is Philemon. You're welcome to Scodemy. And in this video, I am going to teach you how to separate two different text strings in Microsoft Excel that are in same column. All right, so let's say we have this data set that we have here, and you want, from here we have the loan ID, we have the borrower's name, but with this borrower's name, you want the first column here to be first name, then the next column should be surname. Okay, so we want the first column, which is the column B here, to contain only the first name. So for instance, Sarah Mensah here, we will only have Sarah here, then in the next column we'll have Mensah. Now the first thing you have to do is that we need to separate these names. Now to do this, create a column and make it blank to indicate the place that you want to place your new name or the new data set that you want to put here. Then you highlight the column. You highlight the column that contains the data set you would want to change. Now, when you are dealing with a huge data set, you cannot be doing this one by one. So we are doing this for the whole of the column. All right, so select the whole column that you would want to separate the data sets in. Then you come to data on your toolbar. So on the toolbar, you come to data. Then you select text to column here. So you click on the text to column here. Now we have two different options here. We have the delimited option and the fixed width. Now when you look at this dialog box, let's go with the delimited. So select the delimited. Then you come, just look at here, look at this. We have the previous selected data sets. So this is how your data set is appearing. Assuming your data set is huge, you can scroll down with these sidebars, then you see the data set that you have, but in our case we just have small data sets here. So this is the preview of your data. All right, so the next thing is to click next. Now when you click next, Excel would ask you how you would want your data separated. Now this depends on the kind of data set that you have. Is your delimiter or your data set, is it separated by a comma? Is it separated by a space? Is it separated by a semicolon? Or it's separated by a tab? In our case, our data set is separated by space. Okay, so we tick the space. Now when you click on the space, see the preview. Okay, so this is how the preview. So you realize that your data set, since it is separated by space, the other one has been moved into the next column. You are all good. You come to next, you leave everything here as it is, then you come to finish. It will tell you there is data set where you want to put your data, but just override it and go OK. Now this is how it is. So now from the beginning, we want to maintain our first column here as our first name. Okay, so we indicate the first name here. Then the next column, we want to make it surname. All right, we want to make it surname. And that is how you separate text strings in Excel.